You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all this curious word. Yes, I know it confuses a lot of people. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. One single correct pronunciation in English: hypoglycemia. That's British English, and American English pronunciation. US and UK use the same pronunciation. Hypo, not hippo. Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia. You have a stress on the C syllable, the fourth syllable. Repeat after me and listen carefully a few times. Hypoglycemia, hypoglycemia. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.